To use the television in the lounge, turn it on, use this remote control. Just push the power button. That will start up the television. To use Netflix, push the Netflix button just on here. That will then start up Netflix, and then you'll see it's Blossom House. You just push OK. If you've got children, then select the children button and push the OK button here, and that will log in. To exit from Netflix, just push this exit button. Now, that's how to use Netflix here. Now, to use the Virgin Media, which is located in here, we have this remote control, and you'll find the boxes underneath. If the red light is on underneath here, it is in standby mode. To turn it on, just push the power button here. That will then start up Virgin Media, and then it will automatically wake up the TV. And you go in there and then just use it like a normal remote. So here you've got guide, you can just scroll up and down, and then whatever you want, just push OK. And then that will bring it up on the television. So we push OK on BBC Two, brings up BBC Two. And then to turn off the television, you just push the power button on the TV remote. And that's how to use Netflix and Virgin TV on the TV in the lounge.